guys, we are at Lowe, so I'm gonna do a Lowe's garden center tour for you guys and showcase some of the pretty things they have, and I'm gonna showcase something of a new video I'm gonna come out with soon, and hopefully you guys like it. So let's jump right into this video. Guys, coming at number one, we have Proven Winners Blew My Mind Evolvulus. Right here they have the Proven Winners Blew My Mind Evolvulus. So I'm actually gonna take one of their smaller containers right here because this is for one of the video ideas I have, so that's gonna be for one. We also have this new Flamenco Zambia Kofia. This is very interesting. I really like the flower color on that. I never really had experience with this type of plant before, but I really do like how it looks. And these cost $9.98. We also have a few house plants, some Caladium, some worn out daylilies, polka dot plants, Vinca, which is a native plant here, and we have more Vinca of different color. On this side we have hostas, Sun Hosta Plantain Lily for $6, pretty good sized. We have some mondo grass, a lot of lyripe. We also have some daylilies for $6.98. We also have some bumbline. I don't know what this is, but it's sold for $7.98 as well. We have some variegated lyripe on the back as well. This side we have some Cucurma Ginger, $16.98, very pretty. A lot of canna lilies that run for $10.98. We have more Vinca for $6. We have some Impatience, $6 as well. We have a balloon flower. I've never seen them sold these like this for $5. More of the Vinca and Impatience back there. We have Monrovia Moonlight Philodendron sold for $26.98. Some coneflower for $8.98. Right here, super pretty. We have more coneflowers. This used to be like Coreopsis over there. And yeah. Next section here, we have more Bluebill Volvulus, which is an unbranded type that is sort of the same price as the Proven Winners one. So I'm gonna just take one so that it could be for the video idea. We have some Miracle Grow flowers here coming along. Seems to be some lantana, vinca, daisies. We have a whole bunch of vegetables here. But on this side seems to be, we have Purple Queen right there. Some Pentis. We have some Shensia, whatever you pronounce that, for $6.98. Some Salvia, that I think is Rulia or something like that. And I don't know what this is. This seems to be Red Orchid. Never heard of that before. We have coneflower right here. We have more balloon flowers in bigger size, salvia in bigger size, pentas in bigger size. We have a few wilted plants, and here we have the Proven Winners White Wonder Heart to Heart Caladium for $25.98 right here. Pretty bushy plants. We have alamanda plants right here. We have azaleas. Seems to be more alamanda vines, gardenias, marullia, a rose, and we'll go more that way in a bit. I have some Duet Roses. I have this one that I got from the DIY nursery, which is the pink iceberg and burgundy iceberg, which mine is, I believe, burgundy and white, not burgundy and pink. But these are very pretty. They're very fragrant as well. We have a few tropical hibiscus bushes here from different sizes. We also have some hibiscus standards and rose standards right here that sell for $39.98. We have some mandevilla vines right here. So these are sold for $6.98. Mandevilla bushes. More roses back here. We have a Phasicali rose, I believe, and this one sold for $16.98. I don't know if there's any more varieties. I don't believe to see any, so it seems to be this is what's left right here. A few tomato plants, seems to be a bit more dwarf type plants. They have some tea for $13.98, some olive trees for $13.98, bigger olive trees, blueberry seems to be. And they have a few more fruit trees. We're gonna head that way soon. Some gardeners, we have ready to fill pots right here. This is the proven winners one. We have, looks like some Goldilocks Creeping Jenny and a huge coleus of some type. I really don't know what varieties these are. We have some hibiscus. We have some mandevilla, seems to be like a dracaena in the middle as well. And the same thing. They sell the regular ones for $30, while the proven winner ones, I believe, are $25, which is a decent price for it to be proven winners. The thing I did want to point out was this. They have purple, red, and white Vinca, which sort of represents the red, white, and blue theme, which I really think is a good thing to show because it's a very unique idea. So sort of just add this container in your home just when visitors come in for the 4th of July. I'm also going to be making a container by 4th of July, so please stay tuned for that. So I decided I was going to leave the blue Evolvulus for a later video because they aren't really the quality I'm really looking for, and also there's not a lot of plant varieties things, and I'm sort of on a plant budget, and I really want to get and stock up for plants for the 4th of July container I'm really wanting to make. So a few things I will take is the balloon flower right here. So I'm gonna take 2 of these right here and look for a bit more better. So I'm gonna take this one right here. So ultimate gardeners, one thing I will be taking is this Echinacea right here. It's a bit on the orange side, but I think if I expose this more to sun, it will sort of come out a bit more on the red side. So I'm gonna take 2 of these. So ultimate gardeners, a few things I got was a balloon flower. This was $5.98. I got the proven winners Flamenco Samba Kofia for $9.98. And then I got a variegated Lyripe grass for $2.98. And then I got these dahlias for $10.98, but the good thing about it was that they were on discount and they sold it to me for $5.49 for 3 plants, and I visibly saw shoots already, which is very exciting. And I got this pot that I was going to use. This is usually for the ready to fill pot right here, but I'm going to be using it for the container arrangement. So that's going to be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the real quick tour I got on the Lowe's, and hopefully you guys found it interesting to see what Lowe's has in store for the month of July product. I very found it interesting. So thank you all so much for watching, and may God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.